Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Security section. Now scroll down again, click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Finally, you get to create it. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Last but not least, tap on one of those options to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Then tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!